In Kazakhstan, the rush to move a mining project from paperwork to field operations often triggers a fatal regulatory trap. Millions of dollars in capital are routinely liquidated because of a single document filed at the very beginning. To fast-track approvals, contractors frequently recommend deliberately understating the projected mining volumes, waste generation, and quarry footprint. The goal is to bypass the lengthy environmental impact assessment process by showing minimal impact. The Statement of Intended Activity, locally known as ZND, establishes a strict, legally binding ceiling for the future enterprise. These figures are not placeholders, they are the maximum parameters allowed by law. Investors who agree to these artificially low numbers to save a month of initial permitting often find they have locked the project into a scale that cannot sustain commercial extraction. Months later, transitioning to detailed engineering always reveals higher actual needs. Calculations often show the mine requires slightly more land or a rock volume increase of roughly 15% compared to the initial plan. This minor discrepancy instantly triggers Article 65 of Kazakhstan's Environmental Code. This diagram shows the legal consequence. State expertise classifies any exceedance of the original ZND parameters as a significant change, immediately blocking all technical documentation. A routine engineering adjustment invalidates all prior environmental approvals. The project comes to a dead stop. The investor is forced into a regulatory rollback. The company is pushed back to square one, required to draft a new ZND, undergo the screening process again, and organize new public hearings. This administrative reset costs the project 1 to 2 full years of lost time. This timeline illustrates the fatal business impact. While the company spends years redoing environmental paperwork, the strict deadlines of the Subsoil Use Contracts Work Program expire. The government registers this delay as a direct breach of contract, granting the competent authority the full legal right to initiate an early revocation of the mining license. The initial attempt to cut corners on environmental paperwork directly causes the total liquidation of the mining asset. Securing the asset requires ignoring convenient, understated numbers. The project must begin with a deep, reverse-engineered analysis of the future mine's actual full-scale needs. This chart demonstrates the core mechanism of the EKO2 limited strategy. We engineer a 15 to 20% technological buffer for emissions and waste directly into the initial ZND from day one. This creates a highly robust legal foundation. It gives engineers operational headroom, allowing the project to advance smoothly through the design phase without triggering an Article 65 rollback. Implementing a pre-project technological buffer is the only way to protect the investment from regulatory delays and secure the mining license through to